Home interior design ideas. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best in home interior design ideas. Today, we have an exciting lineup of creative and captivating designs that will inspire you to transform your own living spaces. So grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to take notes. Let's dive right in. Our first stop on this home interior design adventure takes us to a beautifully designed living room. The key here is creating a space that is both comfortable and visually stunning. Notice the plush sofas, strategically placed accent pillows, and the use of warm and inviting colors. These elements create an atmosphere that is perfect for relaxation and entertaining guests.
We have an exciting lineup of creative and captivating designs that will inspire you to transform your own living spaces. So grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to take notes. Let's dive right in. Our first stop on this home interior design adventure takes us to a beautifully designed living room. The key here is creating a space that is both comfortable and visually stunning. Notice the plush sofas, strategically placed accent pillows, and the use of warm and inviting colors. These elements create an atmosphere that is perfect for relaxation and entertaining guests. Next up, we have a modern kitchen that will make any cooking enthusiast swoon. This space is all about sleek lines, minimalistic design, and functionality. Take a look at the seamless integration of appliances, the clean countertops, and the clever storage solutions. Not only does this kitchen look amazing, but it also makes cooking and meal prep a breeze. Now, let's step into a serene bedroom setting that is designed to promote relaxation and rejuvenation. Notice the soft color palette, the cozy bedding, and the carefully curated decor. This bedroom is a sanctuary, a place where you can unwind after a long day and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world. In this day and age, having a functional and stylish home office is essential. Take a look at this spacious and well-organized workspace. The design incorporates plenty of natural light, ergonomic furniture, and clever storage solutions to enhance productivity. Whether you're working from home or pursuing your passions, this office will inspire you to create, innovate, and excel. Finally, let's not forget about creating a cozy and inviting reading nook. This is a space dedicated to relaxation, where you can curl up with a good book and escape into another world. Notice the comfortable seating, the soft lighting, and the carefully curated book collection. It's the perfect spot to unwind and indulge in some quality me time. And there you have it, folks. A glimpse into some amazing home interior design ideas that will transform your living spaces into personal sanctuaries. Remember, it's all about creating a space that reflects your unique style and meets your specific needs. If you found these ideas inspiring, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay creative and keep designing.